What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have durable goods. At 8 o'clock, we have some housing news. At 9 o'clock, we have consumer confidence in the Richmond Fed. At 12, we have the 5-year note auction. And at 3:30, we have some crude news. Now, it was never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you choose to trade during unpredictable price action, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream, and we caught over 320 points today. Now, earlier on before the session, we had this big drop down from pre-market that carried into our session. The bulls finding support at a support area, pushing price higher and trading in a range until the end of the session. Now, we called this top during our stream today. You can see that the bulls did try to take price higher, but the bears pushed price down, creating a two-legged pullback into what possibly can be support. Now, I have two things that I'm looking at going into tomorrow. I'm looking at this area to be potential support, but price may have some more room for downside. Let me show you. Price tapped into a major supply area before the end of the session, so I do expect the bears to come and try to push price lower. The bulls have to defend this area for price to continue higher, to possibly test higher structure. Now, if this level doesn't hold, I'm actually looking to see if price can get down to this 380 to 360 level. But with that massive run up that we had today, the structure is still bullish and the bears have to prove that they want it. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. ES has the same story just like NQ. We had a big massive run up after a big move down in pre-market, and just like the NQ, it created a two-legged pullback into what possibly can be support. Now, bulls have to defend this area in order for price to continue higher. But just like the NQ, if the bulls fail here, then price can continue down lower. Now, both the NQ and ES is in the same situation. Right now, they both have bullish structure, but today's price action, it was definitely bearish. You can see that the bears tried to sell price down the entire day, and they failed. And now that we've retested and rejected off of major supply on both instruments, I do feel that the bears will try to regain control to sell price down. And the areas that I've shared in today's NA meeting, if the bulls do not defend these crucial areas, then price will continue down and we'll definitely get a bigger drop than what we had today. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So I'm in the day up $645. I am copy trading 2 accounts. We also got another 100-point play today during the stream. Today marks our 3rd day in a row that we caught over 100 points in one position. And our team managed to do that because we effectively managed risk. We got into areas of support and we strategically exited out of our positions. I would highly recommend for you to consider trading micros and join our stream if you want to see how to use them effectively. At first, it was a big adjustment. I'm used to making 3 to 4 to 5K in a position trading minis. But with that is a lot of stress, a lot of emotional hijacking, and not reading the charts effectively. But with micros, I can get in with multiple contracts. I can manage my risk, giving me more room for error, and I can strategically scale out of my position for maximum profit. And we're going to continue to do that. And with that said, that's all I have. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.